guys, I'm gonna go meet Bae. I'm so excited. Bae's here to see me. Yeah, ask me that. Bae is here to see me. Oh, you guys didn't see me on the vlog today with my face done or whatever. But yeah, I'm going to Walmart as per usual because she's been talking all day, talking about, oh, what's for dinner, what's for dinner? Like, so we'll go to Walmart and figure it out. I have a little $20 I can buy something for me. I think I'm so excited. I missed her. I haven't seen her since my birthday. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, bye. Hey guys, what's up? I'm here cooking for my wife. Well, one of them.
How many you got?
2.
Which one?
You and Sammy.
Oh,
Sammy be my wife. Don't be jealous. It's okay. Can't have more than one. Sister wives is running the place.
I'm
yes,
sorry.
up to the lighting. Oh my god.
No one else.
Oh, Sammy.
I come.
Sammy. Sorry, I'm off of Sharon. I'm off of Sharon. Yeah, we don't need no drama over here. So yeah, we're making burgers because, like I told you guys before, she was talking about, oh, I need to make dinner and shit. Had me walking up and down in Walmart, couldn't figure out what the hell it was that she wanted. Now, and you guys, for those of you who live in Toronto, Walmart sells the flaming hot Cheetos now. I don't know if them sell it in on the smaller bag, you know, but you see the big bag, I made it have to buy it at $3. I'd for, you know, and over there in America, you get 2 bags for $5. You see how Canada wicked? Yeah. Oh yeah. Got my George Foreman grill going here. Let me flip these.
Yo, something is wrong with me. Why you keep dropping? Did you drop the one with the grease? Bruh, all this week, like, you've been clumsy? I've been dropping everything, like, when I share out my lunch, I drop it. I have to share out more food. Same thing the other day with me, I share out. I'm not even talking too loud because the people that want to see me, I try. Okay, I did. Oh my god, You're an idiot. So yeah, guys, hold on. I know you see black. I'm coming.
So yeah, as you can see, I dropped the grease from the something with Fikaleki, but at least it came out of the burgers. So let me go clean that up. Actually, I'll be right back. Hey, I have a hungry belly here. I just yam out on my chips. And I'm taking my little good lines and up. Always to upgrade for 27 Fluffy's beat it. Stupid.
Unless you come out, I'm busted up. No. Let's play that song for your friend.
For my wife?
For your friend?
Shami's my wife.
For your friend?
Sammy is my wife.
Hold on. I got you.
Shami, she a true word.
I got you. I got a song.
She a true word. She don't know so she a go see you at the wedding. Up.
I'm gonna wake up people.
She don't know so she a see you at the wedding, Sammy. Big up yourself, my MC. Them are my master of ceremony. Up. She can't even find it. So I mean, this is why you are my wife.
You my wife.
Cause you talk to me every day. Yeah? Me not have to talk to you if you hear from you. You know? You make sure say me alright every day. You see she?
So when wife they come out, then bush to them off. Then after them on, me if they come out, then I want like shit. Hey! Wait, yeah, we not. I got another song for you.
Ew, you mean that loser thing that everybody does in their songs now with those stupid hands?
What?
That thing that
Scared me, I thought it was the fire alarm.
How you be living up?
Yo! The life I live, bro. You guys, so Fuffy brought me my favoriteest one. This is the first time Fuffy's coming to look for me since my birthday, since my re-engagement. You know, all of that stuff, you know what I'm saying? She's a bitch like that. She's not very that great of a friend anymore. Anyways,
do you ever come see me?
You live anywhere?
Yes, I do.
Where you live?
Don't be disrespectful.
Where you live?
Dumb.
Where you live?
Don't be disrespectful.
Where you live?
Don't be disrespectful.
Where you live?
And take that out of your thing.
Where do you live?
People start making I don't live nowhere, like I'm itching up. Don't do that.
Where do you live?
Don't do that.
Where do you live?
The people don't need to know where I live.
Where do you live? Where you live?
Pay rent somewhere. Don't be
Up. Me did say you never pay rent. Me say where you live. That is the question me ask.
Don't be disrespectful. Don't be disrespectful.
Because I ask her where she live. If she lives somewhere.
She's trying to put me on blast for some reason.
Normally when people live somewhere, they invite you to their place. She's never
you don't invite me anywhere. I just come.
Anyways, normally when people live somewhere, they will be like, yo, come check me. Tiffany's never said, come check me. Okay? I'm always like, come look for me.
You lied, because when you used to be at the I told you to come look for me, you never came. I think you came one time to Scarborough, and the whole time you were at the MBA and I told you to come look for me. That's why I don't ask you no more. What's it called?
You did live somewhere?
I think the last time
you live somewhere?
I think the last time I ever seen you was the first time I ever seen you. And that was the last time I ever seen you. Come look for me, because apparently you go to Scarborough. I only seen you and you were looking for something that day. You came to Scarborough Town Center to get bang bang shrimp, bitch.
Actually, I didn't come to Scarborough to get bang bang shrimp. I came to Scarborough to look for an outfit for my grandmother's funeral. You're bright and Thursday on out to order.
Bang bang shrimp. But either way, see, every time I've ever asked you, never came. So people stop asking when people don't come.
You live somewhere different. You could ask me somewhere else. You live somewhere else now.
It's been like within the 4 years or so prior to when I met you at the MBA and everything, and then we got close. You know, I was like, oh, you know, like you never came. And then the times I'm like, oh, are you coming? You're like, you went to go. You're like, oh, I'm coming to Scarborough. Or oh, when I seen you on Monday, you're like, oh, I came to Scarborough. And I'm like, oh, yeah? Who would I go look for in Scarborough? What would I be in Scarborough for? She's so lie? That is not a lie. Why would I just pick up myself and say you came to Scarborough?
What?
Did you bless your food?
Who would I be with in Scarborough? I don't know anybody in Scarborough except you. Wow. So anyways, yeah, she not live nowhere. Wow. Clearly, because me not get invitation to come to our yard. But don't be bright. You see how she's ready to tear off my face? I see him, so she block and delete me earlier this year on WhatsApp. I see him, so I don't know what I'm to her. I can't talk to her, but it's alright. Anyways, as I said, my burgers them there. Hi guys! Oh my gosh! I'm back to my old phone. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going on the road. I gotta go pick up some stuff to do some things for Sansan's wedding. So I'm gonna go pick up some supplies from there, and there's some other stuff that she needs that I'm gonna go check out for her. So that's what I'm finna do right now. About to do right now. All of my electronics are just annoying my life right now. But anyways, we could go and bounce on chill. You know.
Yeah, Angelos.
Woo!
Can't tell how we really need it. That fuck will you give me that now. Inspire me to write this one, yeah. Different things for you, mama. Inspire me to drive you crazy.
You go back up before you go to work. Put your studio, leave the music on, and then cut the sun. Tell me down the way you, yeah, give me music, give me music. She said, papi, anything where you say. Yeah, give me music, give me music. She said, papi, anything where you say.
Your pussy fat and pretty, pretty. She said she love him, you make her kitty. Only if a man want the pretty, pretty.
The pretty, pretty, I know for everybody.
That head where you give me today. In a studio record a song, yeah. And I
okay,
that fuck where you give me that.
I'm not gonna borrow no, but
inspire me to write this one. Different things going on.
shame. Me just get shame right now. Like, me just get shame. Me just go in at the store for go try show Sandy the some them like the idea when me did out try execute to her rents. The lady I go come to me in at the store and say,
excuse me, you're not allowed to take pictures in here.
I mean, I talk to like
you need to delete everything off of your phone right now.
I'm say okay, me I go delete it. Stand here and watch me delete it. I'm like, if maybe you had come to me and said, I'm sorry ma'am, excuse me, we don't allow people to take pictures of our products in here, and said that to me a little bit nicer, then maybe we could have had a different type of conversation. But as of right now, I don't want to hear anything from you, because you come and you yell after me like say me or you pit me like say you carry me and you're home for 9 months and then have to push me out or cut yourself open for take me out. You're bright and facing all tired and not even my mother talk to me so. And you want to come yell after me so me say me stand up there all long afterwards like me just shot, me couldn't believe. I give me all website.
All of the products can be found on the website.
I know the products can be found on the website. Do you have all the products in your store? No. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Like, anyhow, I'm off. I'm gonna go to another dollar store. So what can happen? This might be
That's it. Yeah.
drink and smoke if you feel like. Fuck them girl if you feel like.
Bust up shop if you feel
What's wrong with this idiot?
So them bad and them a post on Snapchat. Chatty mo, get a fat shot. You find them anywhere, any hot spot. Money dark up, people if you black one. Mother ball in a black frock. Most people get the earth with the drop top. Anyway, they don't stop. I want stop. Bad people need bad people around them. Round them. Bad people need bad people around them. Yeah.
This is my song! Hold on, I'm gonna restart it. I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping.
So pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me.
Hey, beach house in Miami. Every day with no gym.
Where's the tip of dinner?
Julio served that scampi.
Jump in the Cadillac, girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you.
Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Stand by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like.
You say you want a good time, but here I am, baby. Here I am, baby. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Tell me what's on your mind. What's on your mind? If you want it, girl, come and get it. All this is here for you. Tell me, baby, what you trying to do? That's what I like, baby. Ooh.
I love that song. Can you tell? Murder!
After this, now you're not from the now, you hear that?
Murder! I'ma sing that. Yo, dog, get nobody for fling web.
Rumor get the beer. If you go to one, go every man get the beer. Every day, we can do like pushing. Go in front of the judge, tell man you sit here. What the change if a man get the TNP, people still have listen hard and them ringing. Gonna know see you with the cap and dish 50 and pushing us up and 9 chin and slam out him. Push, now a man with a in a waist. Big right to make up in the skinny body and me in a way. Show up in the jacking case. A man run on, it on, and a point a rock in his face.
So the Father, so the Son, they the same. Life you know one, but a bad music name. Bed feet, no they want complain. Nobody knows say nothing about music name. Push, but me not get it coming down again. Anybody do any cause I don't want pain. Body see him, tell him about music name. Point for the judge, tell her about music name.
I'm silent.
Yo, shot boss, woman
I've heard
fatty.
this song in so long. Fatty.
Say them a say me too little and I say she too big. I call me matches and I call her fridge. Tell you back to me 101 leg of 50, but anyway, let me tell you this. Me love my fatty. Pipe on the body. Me love my fatty. All when you need them, not kitty. Me say me have a fatty will look like this kitty. You want see the breast, them make fool them a icky. The fatty clean and pretty. Say she want carry me go New York City. Me just pick it up till it's funny. All when the pum pum bigger than me body. Me just tip go in there me tip. Me love my fatty. Pipe on the body. Me love my fatty. All when you need them, not she. Me say me have a fatty will look like this kitty. You want see the breast, them make fool them a icky. The fatty clean and pretty. Say she want carry me go New York City. Me just pick it up till it's funny. All when the pum pum bigger than me body. Me just tip go in there me tip.
So that was a fail. Yes, I know you need to charge. That was a fail. I'm back home because I never find what I need. And it makes sense I'm gonna go get one thing. I'm gonna have the other thing come. Like when I do my things, I just have everything one time and just do everything one time. So I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna go stop, I'm gonna mother them something. And then yeah. And finish cook. I'm kind of hungry. I mean, also them food they go taste good, car. Them wings they did season well proper. You know. Oh God, what the fuck is wrong with me? You know, sometimes you just you know say your food just go or a food I go taste real good. Yeah, them with them. So yeah. If I don't see you guys again, I'll see you guys the next time I pick up my camera. But it was nice seeing you guys for today. Bye. From Afra Cosmetics. I've heard a lot about Afra. From like a lot of people here on from a lot of people here on YouTube.